how to turn off someone accepts my friend request notification on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off someone accepts my friend request notification on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and now just click these 3 points here in the bottom corner and go down. Here you will find settings, click on it and then click notifications, and now just go down. Here you will find it, just click on it and then click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.